Here we will show you how to fix this nail puncture with reXpair toolkit. Direction for you. reXpair fork. reXpair rimmer. Vulcanizing fluid. This is one children's safety cap. You need to press it and to create. Like this, we can open it. And here's reXpair strip. Okay, now I show you how to do it really to insert to fork. Do follow me. Like this. Insert and pull. Yeah. Like this. Okay, now let's get me out from tire. So the time to coat vulcanizing fluid. You can find it's black vulcanizing fluid already melt tire puncture. Let's coat one more time to make sure it's the most enough. Okay, now get fork. Let's coat vulcanizing fluid on both sides. Okay. Pull out slowly, like this. Now cut the strip which 2 mm on tire tread. It's strong enough. Let's cut it. Okay, so finally it's 4th strip, double folded. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, let's test. And no bubbles.